Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today I have a banging hairstyle for you, a beautiful bust down curly wig, glueless frontal wig. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion as always, so stick around for all the details about that. It's not every day that we have a glueless frontal wig and install it gluelessly. Today's hair sponsor is one that I'm super excited to talk about. What I have installed from Allove hair is a 26-inch 13x4 PPB. What does that mean? A PPB wig is installed as a 26-inch 13x4 body wave, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut, glueless wig. Forward, I know by looking at this lace, I'm gonna need to tint it. Try it on so you can see at home what it's gonna look like when you get it. So you see the hairline? So I'm gonna spray my lace tint by Ebon. I'm gonna try to adjust the band because that might make the difference with whether or not we can actually wear her glueless. The hairline is really pre-plucked. Now we have to remove some lace. See? Remove some of that lace and then it will sit naturally. Sometimes you just gotta do a little customization. Even though it's pre-plucked, I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it for my needs because I'm wearing it. If I didn't do that, it would be flipping up like this. We don't want that. If you have a glueless wig that's a glueless frontal wig and it's not fitting you gluelessly, it means you just have to remove some of the lace. Once you remove some of the extra lace, you should be able to wear her gluelessly. Really important to set your ear free. If you don't cut it there, it's not gonna look good. Okay, and because we're trying to wear her glueless, I'm going to stick the comb in right there. I'm going to sort out what flat iron I'm going to use, whether or not I'm going to use flat iron, whether or not I'm going to curl it with a curling iron. We're going to come back, okay? Hello, I'm back. So we have decided that, well, I have decided that I am going to secure the sideburns a little bit. So just to give me a nice sleek look. Like, I'm still considering this a glueless install, okay? Okay, yeah, you see that? We're gonna do that over here as well. Roughly curl this hair again because you guys know body wave wigs, they're cute when they come, but when you put it on, you need to redo the hair. You can't just leave it looking like this. What kind of professional would I be? Trying out my new curling iron. Ooh, these are gonna be some cute curls. Oh yes, baby. So I had these as backups because I didn't know which one I wanted to use, but I think I want to use the smaller one. My first time using this one. So you're gonna watch me do this. I'm gonna fast forward through this portion and I'll be back when we have more done.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
So we're almost done. As you can see, these curls are giving and I am so happy with how it's turning out. This curling one is a smaller curling one, so it takes a long time to get these curls, but once you do, oh my god. I have no idea where my wax sticks are. I just got back from a trip and I think I packed them all with me. So I'm just gonna go in with some gel that up. I really want to make sure that these baby hairs are not stuck down, but still looking like it's hiding that lace because we're wearing it glueless. Okay, so I'm going to finish off this side and then I'm going to touch up the other side. Basically, exact same thing like what I just did here, and then I'm going to come back. Allove hair has always gotten better over time for me, so every single collaboration that I do with them, it's like even better and even better. Like both my last collaboration with them was absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna link that wig in the description so you can check it out because it was beautiful as well. This wig is fire. Now I did comb through the wig just so you guys can see what it looks like combed through. And you can see like in the other portion of the review, it's not combed through and it is giving 26 inch. I would say yes, she is true to length. And the density, I don't know what the density is, but it's giving like 250%. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Check them out. I'm obsessed with this wig. It's beautiful. With a few detailing steps, I was able to still achieve that glueless frontal wig look, so I'm happy with it. Love it, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. I gotta go, guys. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye.